Hello everyone. Here's a quick demo on how to install Informatica MetaQuery on Linux. Informatica MetaQuery is a free, powerful web app that makes metadata reporting really easy. You can download it from TSFTP under Update MetaQuery using your project credentials. Before installing, make sure to verify the following minimum system requirements. Once verified, close all other applications before starting the installations. I have already downloaded and extracted the installer on my machine. Provide 775 permission to the extracted folder. Open the extracted folder and run install.sh. On the welcome window, click Enter, choose the installation folder and click Enter. The port numbers are displayed as per the default settings. Click Enter, enter key store file and password to enable HTTPs. You could skip this and configure later. Pre-installation summary page is displayed. Click Enter and proceed further. Now, the installation is complete. Go to this folder and run startup.sh script to start the Tomcat process. Open the browser and use the URL displayed to bring up the UI. Use admin as your username and password for your first login, and you're done. MetaQuery is now installed and ready to help you easily explore your Power Center metadata. Follow for more. Thank you.